Check this out, man. This is Young Bay Chef with a 2-minute recipe for shrimp ceviche. Now go ahead and get your favorite knife because we about to chop it up. Now go ahead and skin them cucumbers. You're going to cut that into little squares. Then you're going to get your red onion. You're going to go ahead and dice that. Throw them hoes in a bowl. You feel me? Then you're going to go ahead and get your jalapeno. You're going to cut that in half. Take the seeds out. Then you're going to mince that. Then you're going to go ahead and get your green onions or your scallions. Cut the ends off. Chop that up. Throw them hoes in. Then you go ahead and get your garlic. Now you're going to mince that garlic. Throw that shit up in there, man. And then with the tomatoes, you're going to take out the, the gooey part and the seeds. You're going to take that out, dice them hoes up. Now, we don't usually use stems, but with the cilantro, you're going to use the stems and the leaves. Mince that up, throw that in there. Cube you up some avocado. Throw that up in there too. Now with the shrimp, if you want to use fresh shrimp, you want to cook that for about 2 to 3 minutes in some boiling water. Then you want to chop your shrimp up. I use frozen shrimp on this one. Chop that up, throw them hoes in. Then you're going to go ahead and get your sea salt because I am from the Bay. Season that motherfucker, man. Put a bunch of lime in there. And then look what you got, man. You got some motherfucking shrimp ceviche. You feel me? Now with your shrimp ceviche, you can eat whatever you want to eat with it. You know what I'm saying? I like to use tortilla chips. Some people like to use crackers. But hey, that's it, man. This is Young Bay Chef with a 2-minute recipe. Like, comment, subscribe. You feel me? Yay!